In this video, I want to demonstrate how to customize SolidWorks templates. And I want to stress this is something that's only done once or twice typically in a career. We do it to customize it, or maybe when you start at a new place or start a new business, but this is not how you normally would open SolidWorks templates. So what I'm going to do is I've gone to the File Explorer in SolidWorks and I've opened up my folder where I keep all my custom templates. I'm just going to start at the bottom and work my way up. So first I'm going to start with the metric part template, and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag and drop it into the graphics area. Now it's important to note this is a template file, as we can see here. It has the extension PRT.dot. I don't want to start parts this way. I'm just fixing the template. I just want to go to its properties. So I'm going to go File, Properties, and then I'm going to go to Summary. And I'm going to add my name as the author here, so that every time I use the metric template, my name will be stamped as the author of the work. Then I'm going to go to Custom, and I'm going to add these properties. These are the properties I want to populate my drawing title blocks. So if I set these up, it makes things easier every time I start a metric part. So for example, the description I've added here for the value, fill me into display and drawing. So if I forget, as soon as I open up the drawing, that'll populate it and I'll go, oh yes, I need to go back to the part properties and add that information in. So for my custom templates, these are the values I would like in the title block. To get them here, I can type them, or I can come down to a property, click in the property name cell, and then expand the arrow and pick which custom property I would like there. And then I tell it what type of value it is, usually either text, but it can be other options as shown here. And then I'll enter something here. So for example, the drawn by, that's one property that will never change. So over here, I would enter my name. So I'm going to set up all these custom properties. If I click here, you'll notice my name shows here is where it'll always populate the drawn by field. So then I select OK, and then I want to save this. So I'm saving the template. So I'm just going to click Save, and then I'll close it, and I'll never open that template in this manner again. I'll just start a metric part the way I normally would by going File, New. In the Advanced tab, if I wanted a metric part, I'd go here and I'd say OK. So now I'm working in a part. The part's using my template, and if I go File, Properties, all my custom properties are here, including my name, so my name will always populate the title block when I make a drawing from this. So I'm going to cancel that, and I'll close this. And I want to do the same thing for the metric assembly template, the inch part template, and the inch assembly template. So again, what do? I just click on it, drag it out, drop it in the graphics area, come up to File, Properties, put my name here as the author, and then go to Custom Properties and set up whatever I would like the title block to be populated with, and enter whatever values I can here. And then with each part, I'll have to come in and edit these to the proper values. So I'll say OK. Once that's all set up, I'll save it, I'll close it, and I'll never open the template in this manner again. I'll always start my parts by going File, New, and then select the part. So I'll cancel that. And in the next video, we'll look at how we set up the drawing templates.